Hello everyone, Khurram here. Today in this video we are going to see what is retiring happily and how to get there. Let's begin. We all believe luxury is the way to live a happy life. It is true, but to a certain point. To understand it, let's consider an example. Let's imagine a man in a jungle with access to fire and nature. Is he going to be happy? Maybe not, because it gets colder at night or there might be dangerous animals in that area and he doesn't have food and he doesn't have anyone to talk with. Let's improve his lifestyle a little bit. Now let's give him a shelter, food and someone to be with. Now he should be happy because he got all the basic things a human need. Now for the experiment, let's increase his lifestyle a little bit more. Now they have got a mansion, a Mercedes, a Bentley. Let's go further. What if they get few more Bentleys, few more Mercedes and few butlers? What if you also give them a bed? They can just lie on the bed and all the butlers, they will be serving them. So they don't have to do anything. They might just watch TV by lying on the bed. From this example, you can understand adding more fancy stuff and removing all the efforts from your life is not a way for a better life. And the reason is efforts, learning and getting results from those efforts is the main thing that makes us happier. These are the things psychology have figured out that will have actual effect on human happiness. So we have your friendship, freedom, health, meaningful work, privacy, philosophy of life, which helps us to understand what is right and what is wrong, and of course community access to a network of friendly people. It turns out all these things are covered way back here in this village because they can laugh, learn, solve problems and have relationships. Any money you spend that does not make you happier is wasted. Can we retire in 10 years instead of 45 years, which is common? How can we do it? The secret does not require a huge income and it does not require you become a genius stock market investor. The secret is just to spend much less than you earn. To understand this, let's do a simple math. On one side we have this hard-working carpenter guy who earns 40,000 per year and he have a happy life which cost him 36,000 per year. So which leaves him with 4,000 saving. On the other side there is a doctor who earns 400,000 per year, but because he have a doctor lifestyle he spends 360,000 per year and he's left with 40,000 saving each year, which is 10 times higher than carpenter's saving. So which one of this guy do you think is wealthy enough to retire, assuming they are going to live the same lifestyle after retirement? Surprising answer is they both have the same retirement date because they have the same percentage of savings from their income. Here is the graph of retirement calculator, or you can also call it prison sentence calculator. It turns out the only thing that controls how long you work is how much of your paycheck you can save. Let's take an example from this graph. If you're saving 64% of your income, then you can retire in 11 years. This actually works at every income. If you have low income, it is more important to be efficient at saving, but it is much easier for the people who have higher incomes. Well, you might say, I don't want to retire, I love my job. No one is saying you to leave your job. The thing is, work is better when you don't need money. Well, let me say that again. Work is better when you don't need money. Thank you very much. See you later.